Dear students, today we shall study a lesson from class 7th, unit number 2, road safety. So let's start the lesson. Dear children, first of all we shall know the new words from this lesson. Grandparents means दादा दादी या नाना नानी को ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स कहते हैं. सिर्फ ग्रैंडफादर दादा होता है, ग्रैंड मदर नानी दादी, इनको नाना नानी भी कह सकते हैं. टू स्टे मीन्स कयाम करना या रहना. विजिट यानी आना या हाजिरी देना. अमेज हैरान होना, ताज्जुब होने को अमेज कहते हैं. Let's read the lesson. Road safety. One day, the grandparents of Anita and Anish come to the city from a village to stay with their son and grandchildren. Dear children, these are the grandparents. He is Anish and she is Anita. He is the son of the grandparents. So the grandparents have come to city from the village. Why they come to city? To stay with their son and grandchildren. These grandparents, they come to city to stay with their son and grandchildren. यानी ये दोनों भी जो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स थे वो गांव से शहर आए हुए थे अपने बेटे के साथ और अपने पोता और पोती के साथ रहने के लिए. दिस इज देयर फर्स्ट विजिट टू अ बिग सिटी. सो द ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स केम टू द सिटी फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. दे आर अमेज्ड. ये क्या हो गए? जैसे ही सिटी पहुंचे तो हैरान हो गए सब देखकर. सिटी की, शहर की रौनकों को देखकर, शहर के मंजर को देखकर हैरान हो गए, ताज्जुब हो गए. लेट्स सी न्यू वर्ड्स. डिस्प्ले मीन्स बोर्ड. बोर्ड को, जो बड़े बड़े बोर्ड होते हैं उसको डिस्प्ले कहते हैं. मूव यानी हरकत करना. ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन, पोता या पोती, नवासा नवासी को ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन कहते हैं. सेवरल मीन्स कई, बेशुमार. व्हीकल्स यानी सवारियां. पेवमेंट और फुटपाथ मीन्स फुटपाथ या पैदल रास्ता. शहरों में जो रास्ते के किनारे पब्लिक को चलने के लिए बनाया जाता है उसको पेवमेंट या फुटपाथ कहते हैं. फॉलो मीन्स अमल करना. Let's see the next part of the lesson. The grandparents are amazed by seeing the crowd, big shops and displays. The grandparents were surprised to see the crowd. Crowd means public. The big shops. When we go to city, we see the big shopping malls and the displays. बड़े बड़े बोर्ड वहां पर होते हैं. ये सब देखकर grandparents, they were amazed, ताज्जुब हो गए. Why they were amazed? क्यों ताज्जुब हुए? Because this was their first visit to a city in their life. As they moved from the railway station to their home. As they move यानी आगे बढ़ना, हरकत करना. जैसे ही आगे बढ़े from the railway station to their home, अपने घर की तरफ, they watched the traffic police. Watch means देखना. They watched the traffic police. पहली बार उन्होंने ट्रैफिक पुलिस देखा था. देखिए बच्चों, गांव में, देहात में ट्रैफिक पुलिस नहीं होता, लेकिन जब शहर हम जाते हैं तो ट्रैफिक को कंट्रोल करने के लिए ट्रैफिक पुलिस होता है. So the grandparents watched the traffic police and signals, और जो ट्रैफिक के सिग्नल्स होते हैं वो देखा. And are very surprised to see all these things. The grandparents, they were very surprised to see all these the traffic police, the signals, the crowd, big shops, place. They were surprised. They asked their grandchildren several questions. When they see all these, the grandparents, they ask their grandchildren so many questions. Several means so many. बहुत. The grandfather asked a question. So many vehicles. इतने सारे गाड़ियां सवारियां. How do people walk on the roads here, Anish? Anish, इतनी सारी गाड़ियों के बीच में लोग रास्तों पर कैसे चलते हैं? How do people walk? How means कैसे? Walk यानी चलना. How do people walk? लोग कैसे चलते हैं? Anish said, Anish the grandson, he replied, grandpa. Grandpa means grandfather, dada. People do not walk on roads. लोग रास्तों पर नहीं चलते. They walk on pavements. वो कहाँ चलते हैं? Pavements पर. और फुटपाथ, जो फुटपाथ होता है, जो रास्ते के किनारे आवाम को चलने के लिए बनाते हैं, पब्लिक को चलने के लिए बनाते हैं, उसको पेवमेंट कहते हैं. तो लोग पेवमेंट पर, फुटपाथ पर चलते हैं. Grandmother asked a question. It should be difficult to cross the roads. Then grandmother asked a question. It should be difficult to cross the road. यानी रोड क्रॉस करने के लिए मुश्किल हो जाएगी. Anita said, Grandma, if we follow the traffic rules, it shouldn't be difficult at all. Anita said, Grandmother, if we follow the traffic rules, अगर हम ट्रैफिक रूल्स के मुताबिक अमल करेंगे, it should not be difficult for us. We should pass easily. So the grandchildren and grandparents are talking about the conditions of the city. Now see some more new words. Means महफूज. Pole means खंबा या सुतून. Avoid means दूर करना या बचना. Quite means बेहद. In this paragraph, we continue the lesson. Grandfather, what? Traffic rules? When Anita said, if we follow traffic rules, there should not be difficulty. So the grandfather was surprised. Traffic rules. He heard the word traffic rules for the first time. So he asked like that, traffic rules? And he said, yes, Grandpa. Look at how the people are crossing the road. He said, the child said, Grandpa, look at there. The people are crossing the road. First, we should wait. First of all, when we want to cross the road, when we want to go from this side to that side, we should wait. इंतजार करना होगा. Till the road is clear. जब तक रोड क्लियर नहीं होता, तब तक इंतजार करना होगा. Then look to the right. When the road is clear, we must look at the right side. And to the left. After that, to the left side. And to the right again. Then once again we have to look at the right side when the road is clear. When all the vehicles are passed, we should cross. उस वक्त हमें क्या करना होगा? जब तमाम गाड़ियां चली जाती हैं, तो हमें अपना रास्ता आगे की तरफ लेना होगा, आगे बढ़ना होगा. Anita, see those white lines? Anita asked a question to the grandparents. See those white lines? देखो क्या white lines आपने देखा है? They are called zebra crossings. This is zebra crossing. See the white and black parallel lines on the road to cross for the pedestrians. It is called zebra crossing. Dear children, when you go to a city, you can watch these type of lines on the road. These white lines are made to cross the road for the public. All the vehicles must stop when the public is passing the road. While crossing the road, it is safe to cross only there. While we pass on the road, we must use zebra crossings in the city. It is safe for us. Anish, grandma, look at those poles. Anish pointed out to the poles and said to grandma, look at the poles with colored lights. There are three types of colored lights. See, this is traffic signals. These are traffic signals. This is a pole. Those are signal lights. These are called signal lights. One is red, which says stop. Red means stop. Yellow says get ready. When yellow light starts, it tells us to get ready to move your vehicle, to your car, to your bike. And green says go. When green starts, we must go. We must move from the road into the vehicles. We must know that red means stop, yellow means get ready, and green means go. Anita, if we follow them, we can avoid accidents. Anita said, Grandma and Grandpa, if we follow these traffic rules, we must avoid accidents. We can avoid accidents. Grandma and Grandpa, oh children, we have quite a lot to learn from you. They said, oh my dear children, we must learn a lot of things from you. आपसे हमें बहुत सीखना चाहिए. You have a lot of knowledge. Anita, don't worry, she said. Don't worry, we will teach you. Anita said, Grandma and Grandpa, don't worry. We will teach you how to cross the road. What are the signal lights? What are the traffic rules? We will teach you. And he said, if you stay here for a few days, you will learn all by yourself. And he said, grandparents, grandpa and grandma, if you stay with us for a few days, you will learn all these traffic rules yourself. यानी अगर कुछ दिन आप यहाँ हमारे साथ रहोगे तो खुद ब खुद सीख जाओगे. Dear children, this is a lesson about road safety. We must know the traffic rules. It will help us to save our lives and the lives of others. When we visit the cities, we must know about the traffics. It will save our lives if we know the traffic rules. Let's see some opposite words from this lesson. Opposite words or antonyms. यानी अजदाद, इसको हम antonyms भी कहते हैं. One, none. Day, night. First, last. Several, few. Several यानी बहुत, few यानी थोड़े. Question, answer. Here, there. Here means यहाँ, there means वहाँ. Difficult, easy. Difficult means मुश्किल, easy means आसान. Right, wrong. या left. Right एक मतलब होता है सही, wrong गलत. Right का एक मतलब होता है दायां तरफ, left यानी बायां दाएं तरफ. Clear, unclear या vague. Clear यानी साफ, unclear यानी धुंधला. Again, never दोबारा कभी नहीं. Safe, unsafe. महफूज, गैर महफूज. With, without. With यानी के साथ, without के बगैर. Genders. Genders यानी मुज़क्कर मुअन्नस. Grandpa, grandma. दादा, दादी. Grandson, granddaughter. पोता, पोती. Son, daughter. बेटा, बेटी. So these are the genders, muzakkar, muannas. Let's see homophones. हम आवाज अल्फाज यानी ऐसे अल्फाज जिनकी आवाज एक जैसी हो लेकिन स्पेलिंग और मतलब अलग अलग हो. द वर्ड विच सेम साउंड which have same sound but different in spelling and meaning. Number one, one 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 means eight. WON one means जीता जीतना. India won the match. India ने मैच जीता. There THEIR there means उनका. THERE there means वहां. Sun SON sun बेटा. SUN sun सूरज. BY by यानी से. I go to Mumbai by plane. मैं मुंबई को प्लेन से जाता हूँ. BUY buy means खरीदना. I go to Mumbai by plane to buy a car. मैं मुंबई को प्लेन से जाता हूँ to buy ये buy नहीं खरीदने के लिए, कार खरीदने के लिए. Buy BYE buy means अलविदा कहना. When we send someone we say bye. किसी को भेजते हैं तो अलविदा कहते हैं. Move MOVE मूव यानी आगे बढ़ना, हरकत करना. MOO मूव ये जो है एक दर्द का मलहम है जो दर्द के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. TO2 मीन्स को. I go to school मैं स्कूल को जाता हूँ. TWO2 मीन्स दो. I have 2 rupees मेरे पास 2 रुपये हैं. TOO2 मीन्स भी. I go to school too मैं भी स्कूल को जाता हूँ. Very बहुत. Very फर्क. SEEC means देखना. SEAC means समंदर. Many MANE many. MANY many means बहुत. MONEY money means पैसे. Wait 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 means इंतजार करना. WEIGHT wait means वजन करना. We have to wait in a queue. हमें क्यू में कतार में इंतजार करना है. Check your weight. अपना वजन चेक करो. Quite 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 means बेहद बहुत. It is quite difficult. ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, बेहद डिफिकल्ट है. QUIET quite keep quiet खामोश हो जाओ. Quit 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 means छोड़ना. कौन बनेगा करोड़पति में? अमिताभ बच्चन जो सवाल करता है जब उसे जवाब देना नहीं आता तो कहते हैं मैं क्विट करना चाहता हूं यानी मैं छोड़ देना, गेम छोड़ देना चाहता हूं. तो यह है क्विट. HERE हियर मीन्स यहाँ. HEAR हियर मीन्स सुनना. So dear children, practice these words. These are very important in English. These are homophones. Now it is a homework for you. Use the following words or phrases in sentences of your own. I have given you 10 words. You have to make sentences. इसके आपको जुमलों में इसे इस्तेमाल करना है. Now the questions. I have given you 5 questions. So answer these questions. Dear students, thanks for watching our channel. Like it, share the video to your friends.